Several California cities have taken measures to allow non-citizens to vote in school board elections. In August, James Lacey, an attorney and political commentator, sued the city of Oakland for that kind of measure. He explains to California Insider's Siamak Karami why it violates the California Constitution and Elections Code.
When you stop and think about, well, all right, a person who is a non-citizen is certainly a citizen of somewhere else.
Of another country.
Of another country, right. And by not giving up that citizenship and seeking U.S. citizenship, what you're allowing to happen is individuals to come in who haven't professed an allegiance to this nation and who might be unwilling to give up citizenship in another nation that doesn't afford them the same democratic voting rights that we do.
Back in March, Lacey sued and won the case against San Francisco that overturned the controversial law that allows non-citizens to vote in the city's local election.
4 years ago, on the third or fourth attempt at a ballot initiative, progressives in San Francisco by 54% passed a law that allowed for non-citizens to vote in school board elections. The underlying idea being to allow non-citizens who are parents of kids in schools to have some sort of a say in who was elected to their school board.
The law had a sunset provision to extend it to be citywide. So when the Board of Supervisors voted to extend the law, Lacey was able to sue it within a 60-day window, challenging its constitutionality.
So we went ahead and we filed for what's called a writ of mandate to have a permanent injunction on extending that vote. And our argument was that under a clear provision of the California Constitution, only citizens of the United States 18 years or older may vote. And it's alarming that this ballot initiative even got on the ballot and was allowed to have a vote, and it was a failure of the attorneys who advised the cities.
Eventually, the judge ruled in favor of Lacey's argument and won. Lacey points out that in a close election where the outcome is decided by a handful of votes and non-citizens voted, the election would effectively be decided by their presence. He said it undermines the integrity of the entire voting process.